Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A98 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I think we will start with the fastest way to get into this mode, so how to turn it on and off, and then I'll show you how to customize it. So in order to turn on the eye comfort, we have to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully in order to find proper icon. And the proper icon is not here probably. Yes, it is not here. No worries, no problem. We will have to simply add the icon. So let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Edit Tiles. Right here we have to go to the More Functions section and find the eye comfort, which is right here. So let's tap on this plus icon and it will appear in this section. So right now you can go back and basically all right, it's right here. In order to turn on the eye comfort, just tap on it. Let's tap on always on, and I hope that you can see that the screen turns yellowish or even amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What is more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then this mode will work for sure for you. You can of course turn off this eye comfort just by tapping on this icon, and I think that right now you can really see the difference. And right now I can show you how to customize it. So you can enter the settings just by tapping on the eye comfort and holding your finger on this icon. Your device will automatically drag you to proper options. However, I'd like to show you the full path of how to enter the eye comfort. So we have to enter the settings, then let's scroll down and find the display and brightness, and here let's enter eye comfort. Of course, we will have to turn it on before the customization, so we will be able to see the changes. And let's start with this switcher. So we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it much cooler, and to the right, much warmer. It's almost orange, I would say. Of course, set it just like you want to. You can manage the display effects, which simply means that you can display the colors. However, of course, the screen will have this eye comfort shield, but you will still see the colors, or you can set black and white and everything will be monochromatic. Up to you which option is most comfortable for you. I think I prefer the color one. What is more, we can schedule that feature. Let's tap on the switcher here, and as you can see, we can freely pick the start and the end time, and your device will basically turn on the mode on the turn on time and turn it off whenever, on which time you will set it. But to be honest, I prefer the manual option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.